What I'm looking at today is the DroneMask, which has come all the way from Norway. It's a new product and it's retailing around about 160, 170 pounds, I believe. Now, you'll remember back in the days when virtual reality first started and we all got those cardboard masks that you put your phone in and put them on your head and look like an idiot. The quality wasn't really very good, and then most of them ended up in a drawer in the bin. This one promises to be slightly different, but we'll see, because the proof is in the testing. So what I've done, I've unpacked the box already just to save a little bit of time on the video. Now, the quality of this is certainly very, very good. It's made of a good construction, really nice material, a lot of padding around the mask, and a really good solid head strap. Now, the way this works is that basically you unzip the cover like so, and you put your mobile phone in the compartment there. Now, this is quite a big phone. It's the Google, the biggest one, and it fits just nicely. It's a right nice tight fit, holds solid, great, lovely. And there you can see inside is the lens, which we'll talk about in just a second. So I've got the phone in, and basically what I'm doing with this one, it's supposed to work on pretty much any drone that you can take an input to your phone from, so no reason why it won't. I've got this one at the moment connected to the Mavic Mini 2, and all I've got is a USB cable coming from the controller into the phone there, and we have a connection, and then we close it up and zip it nice and tight. So there we have the USB coming from the back of the controller, and the Mini is on ready. I'm not going to test it indoors obviously, but we will take it out into the field and try it. But what I want to do is I want to have a look at the image quality, because that's where it's going to matter. Now, apparently this has got quite a revolutionary patented new lens. A lot of the old masks used to have split screen, which was quite annoying, especially if your eyes are a bit dodgy like mine. It never really looked very good. This one is a one-piece lens, and it's a real good quality. It's really clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on and test it. Okay, so that's a really nice, comfortable fit. Now, to me, that feels no different than having the mask on from the DJI FPV, to be honest. And there we go. So I've got connection to the drone. Oops, I've got probably a dodgy USB cable. There we go. So I've got a connection to the drone, and if I just move the drone about, now that image is crystal clear with no adjustment whatsoever, although there is an adjustment for those that have odd sighting, but that quality is absolutely incredible, and that's no word of a lie. That really is good quality. That's as good as any FPV I've ever seen. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. So yeah, initial thoughts, very, very good. It feels very comfortable. It's not too heavy, but you've got a bit of weight there, so you know you've got it on. But the proof will be when we take it out into the field and see what the FPV experience is like. So follow me outdoors and we'll try it. So the mask feels really, really comfortable, and yeah, I can see exactly what the drone sees in really, really good quality, and there's no problem with the viewing at all. It's not you know, it's not affecting my eyes in any way. It's just crystal clear. I can't see the division between the screens because there isn't one. It's just one large screen. So yeah, it's actually, I think it's genuinely one of the best I've ever seen. Would I buy one at £170? Yeah, I think I would. I mean, I fly the DJI FPV, and I'm quite comfortable with that. But to use this on the Mavic Mini, and even the Mavic 2, I think it would be a really, really good experience. Yeah, very, very pleased. So check out DroneMask. I think it's definitely worth the money. Very, very happy with it. Check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more and more reviews and some personal experiences.